Hey guys, in this tutorial I'd like to show you how to create a platform game using Construct 2. Now, if you don't know what a platform game is, think of it like a Mario game. If you're still not sure about what I'm talking about, just watch this example and I'll show you, and then you'll understand better. Now, first thing I'm going to do is create a new empty project. So I'm starting a brand new project. Now I'm going to insert a character, so don't forget it has to be sprite, and I'm going to really quickly draw something. So let's say I'm going to draw a box, I'm going to draw a head, two legs and two arms like this, and maybe a couple of eyes and a mouth, and that's it. Great. Now I'm going to put the character there. Now I want to give this character a name. Right now you'll see down here that the name is Sprite. So if I right click, I go to rename, I'm going to call it character. So the character's name is character. If I made it a little bit small. Alright. Now, this is the character. We're going to add a behavior for the movement. Now, if you remember from the previous video, the way we did movement before was 8 direction. We're not going to use this now. Instead, we're going to use platform. Now, let's see what happens. If I run the game, let's see what happens. You might notice something. The character keeps falling down. Now what we need to do is we need to create a platform so that it will catch the character. So to do that, we do another sprite, but instead of drawing a character, we're going to draw a platform or a floor, and we're going to use a black color. So let's draw a platform, and I'm going to rename this, and I'm going to call it a platform. Now let's see what happens. Will this character fall and land on the platform? Let's see. No, not quite. No, it doesn't. So the reason why it's not working is because we have to do something to this platform. There's something we have to change on this platform. So what we need to do is click it. We need to add a behavior to the platform. And the behavior that we want is solid. Now let's give that a try and let's see what happens. He stopped. Let's see if it works. It still looks a bit funny, but let's just give it a test. Now if we press left and we press right, so he moves left and he moves right. If we press the up button, he'll actually jump like this. That's good, but there is one problem. Why is there a space between him and the platform? There's still something we need to do. Alright, let me tell you why this is happening. If we go back to the game, right, this is the character and this is the platform. Notice when I click the platform, you can see a big blue box. So what's happening is when the bottom of this part hits the top of this part, then it stops. It thinks that this is the bottom and it thinks this is the top. So we need to tell Construct that the bottom is his legs and the top is the top of this platform. How do we do that? Well, like this. First you double click on the platform, and there's a function here called set collision polygon. You click it, and what we want to do is we want to tell Construct 2 that we don't want to use this space here. We want to ignore this space here. So we bring this bit down to the corners. We want to wrap the collision polygon around the object like this. Okay, but we're not done yet. We still have to do this character. Right, double click. Right, so what we do is try to get the bottom of this part as close to his the bottom of his legs as possible. and yeah, just like that. Okay, that's good enough. Or maybe we could get it down to his head. Let's see. Okay, that will do. Once that's done, then you click the close button. Now let's give it a try. Let's run. There we go, much better. Now he's actually touching, with his legs, he's actually touching the platform. Right, so you can go left, right, jump. You could also fall off the platform as well. Just reload the game and try again. So, not a problem at all. Not a problem at all. Okay, so that's part 1 of the platform games for Construct 2. Please check in for part 2 of the platform games. And see you soon. Bye-bye.